Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on ASUS ROG Phone 7. To do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find an app called NotifyBuddy. Install it. When it's ready, hit the open button and now we can begin the setup. So move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. And the last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Here we can begin using this app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and the Settings. In User, you can activate any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In the System, you can find all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the Settings, we can customize our LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. Let's click on the test button and you should be able to see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.